Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Samke and as you can see we are in the kitchen. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make pancakes. You need a cup of flour and then 3 eggs. We've got vanilla essence. We've got baking powder, we've got our bicarbonate of soda, we've got salt, we're gonna need oil just a little bit, and here I'm just preheating my pan at low or medium heat. Yeah, as you can see. So we'll start off by we'll mix our dry ingredients onto the small bowl. So first off, we're gonna pour in our flour right here and sugar. We're gonna need a teaspoon of we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of soda there, and baking powder 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. There you go. So I like to add cinnamon, and this is optional actually, but I love it. I like to add mixed spice as well, just a pinch of that, and this as well. A pinch of salt. Yeah, just a pinch of salt. Well, so now we're going to mix in the dry ingredients using the teaspoon. As you can see, it's well mixed in. Now, moving on to our wet ingredients, we're going to beat our eggs in. Now, 3 of them, right? It's 1, 2, 3, right? Yeah, they're all in here. So we're going to whisk this, and we're going to add 1 cup of milk, fresh milk, okay? 1 cup of fresh milk. Into the bowl, and now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Oh, this was not opened yet. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence into the bowl. Right, so now we're gonna whisk that together and just add a pinch, just a little bit of oil, just a little bit, not a lot. Yes, like that. So now we are whisking. So now it's time to add in our dry ingredients onto the wet ones, okay? So we're going to pour this whole thing in here and make a thick mixture. So after you're done mixing your ingredients together, see how thick it is. Yeah. So now we're going to pour this into our jar. This one. All of it going in there. So we're going to put this away to the sink, and right, see, we have it all in there. So now we take our oil, just a little bit of our oil, and this our pan. Yeah, it's already hot because I preheated it. So we're going to spread. I don't have the brush yet, but I'll get it soon. See? Once your pan is greased up and it's ready to go, we then take our mixture, and this is how you do it, okay? You just have to pour it in like this. See that? So how do you know it's ready to, get flipped over? See, once bubbles start, like forming on top, that's when you know it's almost ready. See that? It's cooking well. So you have to wait for the bubbles to start coming up, and yeah. I love pancakes, guys. They just make up my day. I prefer pancakes like every morning to bread or any other things because I just love them. Yeah, so I think we're almost done. We just have to turn them over now. Voila! See that? That's a beautiful pancake. Easy to make, homemade pancake. Guys, I love pancakes. Come and see this beauty, guys. See this beauty. Like some art, I don't know, but like, yeah. I love the kitchen. Is actually my favorite, room in the house because that's where I get to make magic, like, don't mind me. Anyways, coming up, just keep on pressing. Yeah, it's gonna come out well, I know. I really can't wait to eat this because it's like one of my favorite things to do. So it's ready if you just do this and it just moves on its own. You don't have to force it. See? It just moves like this. Just don't force it. It's cooking at low heat, low to medium heat. Don't put high heat. Don't put high. Yeah, because it's gonna burn, and I don't like burnt pancakes. Maybe you guys do, but I prefer the finely made ones. I don't like burnt pancakes, so I make sure that my heat is on low heat. Yeah. So it looks like it's done. I'm gonna put it. See that? Do you see that, guys? Guys, are you seeing this? Look closely. Yeah, this is the other side. I just turned it. See? Beautiful pancake. So now I'm gonna remove it from here and just plate. Look at this. Okay, make sure you like my video and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.